A reaction has been pouring in since the ruling came down this morning, and we are covering two local rallies. We have reaction from lawmakers in Madison and from Planned Parenthood and Right to Life in Milwaukee.
But our team coverage starts with CBS 58's Victor Jacobo here in the studio with a look at how today's ruling affects women in our state. Victor.
Yeah, Natalie, and Jessup, abortions have steadily declined in Wisconsin over the last 4 decades, from about 22,000 in 1980 down to around 6,000 in 2020. But starting today, a law from 1849 that prohibits most abortions is putting a halt on safe forms of the procedure in the state.
It's what we call a zombie law.
Legal experts say abortion providers don't want to test Wisconsin's 19th century law prohibiting abortion except to protect the life of the mother and if it will be enforced. Instead, they and people seeking abortions will wait for state courts to settle the matter.
It's important to have clarification so that everybody understands the law going forward.
But what's clear is, for now, the overturning of Roe v. Wade increases health risks.
Carrying pregnancy to term and giving birth is 18 times riskier than having a first trimester abortion. So we expect increases in maternal morbidity and mortality.
Now people in need of abortion care are left with few options.
Some people will attempt to travel out of state to get care. Some Wisconsinites will self-manage their own abortion. A lot of Wisconsinites who need abortion services just won't be able to get them at all.
On top of that, experts say people with greater resources will still have forms of access, while those without will be most impacted.
The lack of access to abortion services will most heavily affect people who are structurally disadvantaged and structurally oppressed.
Another impact will likely be felt at the ballot box in November as Wisconsin picks its next governor and senator. Fundraising emails have already been sent out by candidates after today's Supreme Court decision. Live in studio, Victor Jacobo, CBS 58 News.